Oh, shoot. What y'all doing? What's going on? Hey, anyway, I gotta do a quick video because, man, I'm like one of these people doing the unboxing, man. I'm like super excited to get new stuff when it comes to this real estate deal. So I needed a microphone because a lot of times when I'm doing pictures, videos, whatever, I'll use my tripod, which this is actually on, and with the tripod it extends out a little further than my voice can project with a normal voice, right? So I'll be over here screaming and yelling and crap, and I'm not very comfortable with that whole screaming at the camera yet. So I don't want to do that. So what I did was get some items, right? Ordered them. They came in. Doorbell was ringing not too long ago. So I go out there. Boom! Microphone, baby. So this is compatible with your computer, your laptop, your tablet. I don't know why they put tablet on there twice. They just have like a regular tablet and then an iPad. That's how important an iPad is. It's a different tablet. It's not the same. Whatever. And then with most cameras, and I'm looking all weird because I can't really see, but most cameras. So the microphone cord is 6.5 feet, and there's a rotating clip, so I can just clip it right on and hit a YouTube video. But that's not all that I ordered, and I think I ordered some more stuff. I don't even remember. I just ordered it, and then yeah, I just get excited when it comes in because I have no clue what the heck is really, when it's coming in or what's coming in. I just push the button too quick, right? So we have this tripod. So this tripod is going to be super sweet because it's for the camera, and I did a video on that one, the 2 cameras that we bought for the business. But it's going to be to hold these bad boys on the table because I did a stupid video, and my tripod that I have for this is a cell phone tripod. Then I have another one that's a cell phone tripod too. It's now transitioned to being the kids tripod for when we go to like anywhere to eat. But this one here is going to work specifically with the cameras. It's not going to work for the phone or any of that good stuff. So boom, you pop that off, use this bad boy as a tripod, man. Super excited. So I just set it on the table. Like I can do this one right here. Matter of fact, if I had the camera out, and I don't, only because I was not planning to do a video. I was actually working, so just took like a 15-minute break. But yeah, this bad boy swivels, does whatever. So you lock it into place. Boom. Yo, mad excited. So whenever I get a chance, I'll hit a little video and show y'all what it's about, man. Hopefully it's something good. And if it's not good, then I'll let you know. This isn't like a review video of products or whatever, but man, I'm trying to grow my business, trying to, you know, excel in real estate. I'm not trying to be an extreme professional when it comes to the photography and videos and things like that. I just want it raw and uncensored. But I do want to have some kind of, you know, some class in there. You know what I mean? Just a little bit of class. I want to look good, but not too good. I want to look fresh, but not too fresh. I want to make it look, okay, you get what I'm saying. So anyway, yeah, when I hit something up, man, I'm going to let y'all know. But all of this stuff is on Amazon. You order it from wherever the heck you want, Best Buy, Amazon. I don't really care. That's where I got it from. Hey, hit the like button, subscribe. Continue to follow because I love doing what I'm doing. Yeah. I love y'all, man.